Most people dream of becoming millionaires. They imagine the freedom, the security, the opportunities, but dreaming is only the first step. To achieve financial independence, you need a plan. Earning your first $1 million is a journey. It requires a shift in mindset. You need to see money as a tool for building wealth, not just something to spend. The first step is believing it's possible. Many people limit themselves by thinking wealth is reserved for a select few. This is simply not true. With dedication, smart work, and the right knowledge, anyone can achieve financial success. It's about changing your relationship with money. Start viewing it as an ally, a powerful force that can help you achieve your dreams. Remember, wealth is not just about the number in your bank account. It's about the freedom to live life on your own terms, pursue your passions, and secure your future. It's about having options and making choices that align with your values. So, embrace the journey and start building your $1 million mindset today. Before embarking on any financial journey, you need a clear picture of where you stand. This means understanding your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Start by tracking your spending. Every dollar that comes in and goes out should be accounted for. This will highlight areas where you can cut back and save more. Next, create a budget. This doesn't mean restricting yourself completely. It's about allocating your money wisely. Prioritize your financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment, investing, or paying off debt. With a budget in place, you can start making conscious decisions about your spending habits. Once you have a handle on your cash flow, analyze your assets and liabilities. Assets are things you own that have value, like a house or investments. Liabilities are debts you owe, such as student loans or credit card balances. The goal is to increase your assets while reducing your liabilities. Understanding your financial situation is crucial for making informed decisions. It allows you to identify areas for improvement and set realistic financial goals. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it's the key to unlocking your financial potential. Saving money is the cornerstone of building wealth. It's the discipline of setting aside a portion of your income regularly. Start small if you have to, even if it's just a few dollars each week. The important thing is to develop the habit. As your income grows, so should your savings rate. Think of saving as paying yourself first. Before you pay your bills or make any other purchases, put a predetermined amount into your savings account. This way, you're prioritizing your financial future. Consider automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Another effective strategy is to save any unexpected income, such as bonuses, tax refunds, or gifts. Instead of spending it, add it to your savings or investment. Remember, building wealth takes time and consistency. By saving diligently, you create a solid foundation for future financial success. Saving is important, but it's only the first step. To truly grow your wealth, you need to make your money work for you through investing. Investing is simply putting your money into assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. This could include stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. The key to successful investing is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes. This helps mitigate risk. If one investment performs poorly, others can cushion the impact. Before you start investing, it's crucial to educate yourself. Learn about different investment options and their associated risks. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor if needed. Remember, investing involves risk, but with careful planning and a long-term perspective, it's one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth. Section 5. Beyond your 9-to-5. Exploring multiple income streams. Relying solely on your 9-to-5 job for income can limit your earning potential. Creating multiple income streams is crucial for accelerating your path to $1 million. This could involve starting a side hustle, freelancing, investing in rental properties, or building an online business. The beauty of multiple income streams is that it provides diversification and financial security. If one income stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. Start by identifying your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Explore ways to monetize your passions. The internet has opened up countless opportunities for generating income. From online courses and e-commerce to affiliate marketing and social media consulting, the possibilities are endless. Remember, Building multiple income streams takes effort and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. Section 6. Discipline and patience. The long game of wealth. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, patience, and a long-term perspective. There are no shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes. Success comes from consistently making smart financial decisions over time. Avoid impulsive purchases and focus on your long-term goals. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and overspend, but remember that every dollar you save and invest brings you closer to your goal of $1 million. Don't be afraid to make sacrifices in the short term for long-term gain. Remember, there will be ups and downs in the market and in your personal life. The key is to stay the course and remain focused on your goals. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Instead, view them as learning opportunities and keep moving forward. Section 7. Learning from the best real-life millionaires. One of the best ways to learn about building wealth is to study those who have already achieved it. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars by successful investors and entrepreneurs. Learn from their experiences, their strategies, and their mindsets. Pay attention to their habits, their work ethic, and their approach to money. You'll find that many self-made millionaires share common traits such as discipline, persistence, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Remember, success leaves clues. Of course, everyone's journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. However, by studying the habits and strategies of successful individuals, you can gain valuable insights and inspiration for your own financial journey. Section 8. Avoiding common pitfalls. Financial mistakes to avoid. On the road to financial success, there will be obstacles and potential pitfalls. Being aware of common financial mistakes can help you avoid derailing your progress. One of the biggest mistakes is accumulating high-interest debt, such as credit card debt. Pay off your debts as quickly as possible to avoid paying unnecessary interest charges. Another common mistake is failing to plan for the future. This includes not saving for retirement, not having adequate insurance, and not having an estate plan. Take the time to plan for the unexpected and protect your financial future. Avoid impulsive spending and emotional investing. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a hot stock tip or a sale at the mall, but making decisions based on emotions can lead to costly mistakes. Remember, building wealth is about making rational, informed decisions. Section 9. The importance of financial education, investing in yourself. One of the best investments you can make is in your own financial education. The more you know about money management, investing, and wealth creation, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. There are countless resources available to help you improve your financial literacy, including books, articles, podcasts, online courses, and financial advisors. Take advantage of these resources and make a commitment to continuous learning. Remember, financial education is not a one-time event. It's a lifelong pursuit. As the financial landscape evolves, so too should your knowledge and skills. By investing in your financial education, you're investing in your future success. Section 10. Achieving financial freedom. Life beyond $1 million. Achieving your first $1 million is a significant milestone, but it's not the end goal. True financial freedom is about having the resources and flexibility to live life on your own terms. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and make a difference in the world. Once you've achieved financial security, you can focus on using your wealth to create a meaningful and fulfilling life. This might involve giving back to your community, supporting causes you care about, or simply enjoying the fruits of your labor. Remember, wealth is a tool that can be used to make a positive impact on your life and the lives of others. Use it wisely and purposefully. Section 11. Join the journey. Subscribe for more financial wisdom. Congratulations on taking this first step towards achieving your financial goals. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the path to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to learn and grow. To help you on your journey, we invite you to subscribe to our newsletter for more valuable financial tips, insights, and strategy. We'll provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to make smart financial decisions. build wealth, and achieve your dreams. Don't wait another day to take control of your financial future. Subscribe now and join us on this exciting journey towards financial freedom.